Okay, so our like 1 or 2 story building is finished now. Okay, if you remember, the horizon line represents your eye level. So this building is much shorter than us. I'm probably drawing from the vantage point of maybe being across the street in a 5 or 6 story building looking down. So I can see the top of this building. Let's now draw a skyscraper, because like in one point it is a little bit different to draw a building that's taller than the horizon line. So what do I start with? What's my first step?
Vertical line.
A vertical line. Again, this is the place where people make silly mistakes and they'll try to start a 2-point perspective drawing with a square or rectangle. So remember, 2-point, we just start with a line. So we want that line to be nice and vertical. And you want that line to go above your horizon line by an inch or 2.
Oh, this is 2.
Good job, Addie.
Which side is the same house of building or
We're going to work on the right side of our paper. Look at my example as a guide. Okay, once we have our vertical line, what's our next step?
connect it to the orthogonal.
Connect it to the vanishing points with 4 orthogonal lines. Okay, now watch and listen. If I were to connect this and draw that line, what's going to happen? I'm going to draw a line right through this building I worked so hard to draw.
You gotta go around.
You don't need to draw the entire line. You guys, please. You can start to use logical reasoning, and if you don't draw the entire line, that's fine. But you definitely want to make sure your ruler is still lining up to the vanishing point. If you're going to take shortcuts like this, be absolutely certain that you don't forget step number 5. Again, a lot of people will just say, I'll just connect the ends of the lines together, which is probably not going to be a perfectly vertical line. We want our buildings to look stable and structurally sound. We don't want to draw the Leaning Tower of Pisa, right? So we need to remember, line up, slide down, draw the vertical line, line up, slide down the other way, draw that vertical line, and then you will have some erasing. So you can erase the rest of the orthogonal lines that you no longer need. We can also erase the horizon line that's cutting right through our building.